Storm Alert Team Forecast with meteorologist Jessica Blum.
Well, as you're dodging potholes out there this morning, one thing we haven't been able to dodge is this weather pattern. I want to show you how stubborn this weather pattern has been. So here's a look at what it's going to look like by about 7 o'clock this morning. But if you notice, this is a huge long wave trough that extends through most of the central portion of the United States all the way out to the western coast. And this has been in place for quite some time this week. This has given us the continual fog and some chances for some light drizzle as most of these low pressure systems are developing off to our south and then moving to the north and east, staying to our south and just kind of clipping our area so far. And that's why we're just getting a little bit of drizzle here and there. But the difference in today is this long wave trough is starting to break down into a series of short waves that you kind of see coming for us here this morning. And this is something that we look at as meteorologists because the atmosphere is just kind of a series of waves. When we look at the upper level pattern, it can give us a clue as to what weather we're kind of expecting. But with this long wave, and it's not even a high amplitude wave that we'd talk about kind of how high or how tall it is, it's just kind of been producing this heavy fog over much of the central, and now it's headed for the eastern portion of the United States. But it is going to be breaking down. These short waves are going to try and dislodge it as we go throughout the day today. But as you can see, this overall trough remains in place going into tomorrow morning. We're still affected by it, still going to expect a lot of that fog and cloud cover, even likely into Saturday morning and Saturday, until we can get this trough of low pressure to kind of move off into the eastern portion of the United States. Now we're starting to look at this ridge, and if you like the warmer weather, the clearer skies, this ridge is something that you're cheering on, and that'll be coming for us as we go into Sunday and especially